Today I'm going to show you how to remove this bottom DVD player VES unit from a Chrysler Town & Country. I'm going to start removing 3 Phillips screws, one here, one down here, and one back here in the back. Moving to the other side, there's 3 more to remove. If you have one that's difficult coming out, one thing you can do is kind of get a screwdriver behind it and kind of lift up on it until it starts wanting to come, and then you can get it by hand after that. I think this just pulls out. There we go. There we go. There's 2 plastic clips to pull this out. This does not have to be fully removed. I'm just going to kind of sit it there like that. Once we have this pulled back, it's revealed a couple screws here that are going to be important to us. We're going to remove the outside ones. There's 1, and there's 2. Now, looking up, right up here underneath this navigation is a couple of tabs. This car's already looks like it's missing one of them. There's another one over here that we need to pull back and down, and you don't want to be rough on these, or else you'll pull them off like the previous person who worked on this car. 2 more screws that we can now remove. This can lift up. If you're stuck, you just kind of pull on it, because what you're doing is you're removing it from these clips. Now, we don't need to take it all the way out. All we need to do is get to this screw and that screw right there. So, let's go ahead and remove these. Once those screws are removed, we can pull out this whole front piece, and I'm just going to kind of sit it over to the side, and now I'm to my DVD player. Wrong screwdriver. So I'm going to remove a screw on this side, and then the same screw on the opposite side. Now this will slide out, and there's just 1 plug to remove in the very back. And let's see if I can get this to where you can see. And so I just squeeze this clip and pull back and pull. And we're out. And the DVD player is removed.
I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please help my little family by clicking that subscribe button. We just bought 90 acres that we're hoping to turn into our dream farm, so not only will I be posting videos that show you how to fix almost anything, you also get to follow us on the adventure of raising 4 kids on a dirt road. I appreciate you.